Back again at Bim'bimba Park for the August update. Next to me here, the entry totems delivered to site. They've had their metal features fixed and currently in the process of lifting them into their final position. Our fencing boys have almost completed the post and rail fence. The boulder wall work along the creek line is underway to give it a natural look and make it look like it's been here forever. Some of the park signage has been installed. Footing steels here for the forest totem feature. They'll be poured in the next couple of days. Foundation works for the large playground tower is underway and steel fixing is happening right now and a pour early next week. The last of the slabs have been poured for the shelter and picnic areas. Drinking fountains have been put in place. Out of the 100 trees we've installed so far, we haven't lost one and they seem to be taking nicely. Pathways surrounding the playground and bench seating areas are in place. And more importantly, the electricity has been run to the barbecue, so they'll actually work. With a bit of luck, the fauna fence will keep the koalas inside. Just here, Radiki unwrapping the kangaroo. We thought a wallaby on site was big until this thing came.